Out here watering my little garden. I planted a pepper plant in the middle of these. This is what I call tower gardening. Now you can buy these and they don't look like this. This is my makeshift tower garden because I didn't want to spend the money. So I do this little makeshift one. And so right here at the bottom of this is just a drainage tray. So I put flowers here. In the center, this is a pepper plant. So this pepper plant is going to have orange peppers hanging all, and peppers and, you know, their little flowers hanging down. And then here I have obviously red lettuce, and then I have arugula around the center, around the edge. And then down here are purple whole peas. So when they grow down, they're gonna hang on this blue. So there'll be purple on this blue, there'll be purple hanging on this black, and then there'll be orange and purple hanging here. So hopefully it all works out, but I'll keep y'all posted.